Hi, Goddess of Love here. Kamusta kayo dyan? Again, mga goddess ko. So, anong meron sa mga goddess natin right now? No? So, yeah. Another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. No? So, kamusta ang ating mga fire signs dyan? No? How are you? No? In English natin. No? So, tignan natin. No? Anong meron sa mga fire signs right now? No? So, tignan natin. Let's see. Universe, no? Kamusta po ang ating mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. Anong meron sa ating mga fire signs right now? Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. Universe, please. So, you have this healing, no? Yan, no? For some of you, fire signs, no? So, meron kayong healing, no? For some of you are in a healing process, no? Maybe may mga mabigat kayong pinagdaanan sa past, no? From the past, no? For some of you, yun nga, no? So, but then may also, no? For some of you, earth sign, I mean fire signs na literal na you are healing because a loved one is lost, no? For some of you, kung makikita mo, may earn ka dito, no? Literal, no? So, for some of you na dumadaan sa ganito is my condolence for you, fire signs, no? So, medyo mabigat talaga, no? So, take your time to grieve, no? So, to grieve for your loved one, no? So, it's okay, no? So, yun nga, no? You are in this process of healing because of the yun nga, someone you love is passed away, no? Or yun nga, or for some of you naman ay may mabigat na pinagdaanan sa past and right now you are in a healing process, no? For some of you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So that's it, no? So tignan pa natin ano pang meron na sitwasyon para sa inyo mga fire signs, no? Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So what else para sa ating mga fire signs, please, universe, regarding sa kanilang sitwasyon. So, you have this, no, the hangman, no, so, yeah, no, for some of you, fire signs, no, so, you are in a pause, no, so, talagang gusto nyo muna mapag-isa, no, something like that, no, so, yun nga, just take your time, no? So, kumbaga, you are still in a healing process kasi, no? So, kaya, just take your time, no? To heal yourself, no? So, what else? Para sa ating mga fire signs, please. Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. Universe, what else? Diba, no? You have this 5 of Cups, no? So, very, very sad and lonely talaga ang mga fire signs right now, no? So, yun nga, dahil may mabigat talaga kayong pinagdaanan and also, no, for some of you, ito nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, may literal na someone you love is lost, no, is passed away, no, for some of you, kung makikita mo, no, kaya umiiyak ka dito, no, fire sign, no, because someone you love is passed away, no, so yun nga, no, just take your time lang, fire sign, no? So, and then for some of you naman na dumaan sa, yun nga, sa matinding pagsubok is, yun nga rin, is take your time to heal, no? Natapos na rin naman eh, and then, yun nga, no? So, medyo mabigat talaga, no, ang pinagdadaanan ng ating mga fire signs right now, no? So, yun nga, no? Mas nakikita ko rito is, yun nga, merong nawala talaga na loved one, no? For some of you, fire signs, no? So, again, my condolence for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, ipagdasal mo lang palagi itong loved one mo who passed away, right? No? So, para maging peace na rin ang kanyang spirit, right? No? Ang kanyang soul. So, what else para sa ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, please? Universe, what else? What else para sa ating mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sag, please. What else? What else, please? Ano pang meron para sa ating mga fire signs, please? Universe, ano pa pong meron sa sitwasyon nila ng ating mga fire signs? What else? Para sa ating mga fire signs? So you have this Four of Wands, no? So for some of you, no, maybe parang ang mas nakikita ko dito with this Four of Wands, no, maybe you need to go out with your friends, no, for some of you fire signs, no, na medyo mabigat ang pinagdadaanan, no, para ma-relieve naman ang inyong emotional stress, no, emotional, because 'di ba mahirap talaga tong pinagdadaanan nyo right now. Maybe makakatulong kung you will go out with your friends, hang out with them. Maybe baka may mag-i-invite sa yung mga friends for some events, no? Maybe mag-a-attend. So go with them, no? Kung ano man ito, no? So para makakatulong din to sa iyo, no, fire sign, to recover, no? For that loss, no? So again, what else para sa ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, please. What else para sa ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, ano to? You have this Eight of Cups, no? In reverse, no? So, for some of you naman, no, meron dito, meron ding magbabalik, no? For some of you, fire sign, no? Yeah. Kung sino man yung umalis sa buhay nyo before, no? Maybe ang iyong partner. For some of you naman, maybe this one is another story naman, no? So, merong magbabalik, no? Someone who left you, no? Sa past, no? Maybe your person, no? Something like that, no? I don't know kung ano ito, no? Or maybe for some of you ay binabalikan mo yung past mo, you are reminiscing your past memories with your person, your loved one na who passed away, no, recently, no. So you are reminiscing the memories, no, with your person. Siguro mabigat din yung pinagdaanan ng siguro I think this person, kung sino man kayo, fire sign, no, take what's resonate lang. Maybe this person who recently passed away is someone special for you, no. So for some of you, maybe this is your partner, no, your partner really, or siguro married pa kayo nito, no. Yun nga, kaya talagang napakabigat for you na mawala siya, no. So yeah, may mga ups and downs din kayo before, no, kasi kung makikita mo to, I think palagi rin kayo nagtatalo-talo before, but then ito suddenly biglaan, no, biglaang he or she passed away, no. So medyo mabigat talaga ito, no, fire sign for you, no. So you are reminiscing the past memories with your past loved one, no. So tignan pa natin what else para sa ating mga i-shuffle ko lang, no. So tikunin na lang natin yung isang ano bang magandang i-ano natin. So tignan natin, baka may message sa iyo yung person mo, no, na iniisip mo who passed away, no. So tignan natin, no, anong message niya sa iyo right now, fire sign, kasi iniisip mo siya, no. So nasasaktan ka, no, dahil talaga sa pagkawala niya. So tignan natin, baka may messages siya for you, fire signs, no. So tignan natin anong message ng iyong loved one who recently passed away, no. So yan, no, you have this, I want to marry you, no. So for some of you, baka engaged na kayo ng person na ito, or for some of you is you are married to this person, no, who recently passed away, fire sign, no. So tignan pa natin what else para sa ating mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, no. Tingnan natin what else please para sa ating fire sign, no. Tingnan natin, kukuha na lang tayo dito, medyo hindi maano yung kamay natin ngayon. So what else message, no, you've been through a lot din, no, a lot din sa relationship mo with that person, no. So nagkaroon din ng mga third parties before, no, kaya siguro ups and down din yung inyong relationship, no? That's why, no? So, maybe, naiisip mo rin 'to, no? Yung mga ginawa niya rin before na nakasakit sa'yo, fire sign, no? So what else, no? Or vice versa, no? Pwedeng ikaw rin 'to, no? Na nag-flirt, no? And then, parang nagsisisi ka na nagawa mo yun sa person mo. But then, of course, maybe, huli na yung lahat because that person you are thinking of is passed away na, no? So again, I'm sorry, no? Again, my condolence for you, no? Condolences. Paano ba sabihin yun? No? So sorry, uh, my condolence for you again. Sorry, fire sign, no, right? No, so again, no. So what else? Message, so medyo madami, no? Kasi medyo hindi siya talaga maayos yung aking hand ngayon. No? So, may dalawang card na bumagsak, no? So, you have this, look for a sign as your angels, um, they'll, they will be guiding you, no? So, yan, no, fire sign, no? So, maybe, kasi nga iniisip mo yung tao na ito, no? Sinasabi ng angels mo, no? Look for the signs, no? Maybe there are signs na familiar sa iyo, no? Na kung makikita mo yung mga signs na yon, maybe ay makikita mo na you are still, kumbaga, that is the sign na from your person, no? Maybe meron din siyang gusto talagang ipakita sa'yo, no? Ang iyong person, no? Maybe. That's why sinasabi sa iyo ng angels is look for the signs, no? Maybe nagsisend din ng sign ng iyong person, no? Siguro kinakausap mo siya, tapos parang wala ka namang makitang sign, no? But then sinasabi ng iyong angels here na look for the sign. Maybe hindi mo lang nakikita, no? So, iga-guide ka nung sign na yun. Maybe there is a message, no? For some of you, fire signs, no? And of course, no, again, I like hooking up multiple partners, no? So, for some of you talaga is talagang ito yung mga nangyari sa inyong relationship, no? So, maybe may halo ka, may galit ka sa person na ito, no? But then, you are still grieving. Siyempre, minahal mo yung person. Siyempre, nakakabigla na he or she passed away na, no? Recently, or for some of you, maybe medyo matagal na rin, but then you are still reminiscing, no? Your past memories with that person, no? Kasi may family din kayo for some of you. And then, what else? For the fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag, no? What else? So, yun nga, no? It's your fault. I cheated on you, no? So, yun nga, no? Parang, maybe, vice versa talaga to, fire sign, no? Maybe ikaw din to na nag-cheat dun sa person mo who passed away, no? So, medyo may mabigat din talaga, no? Parang nagsisisi ka na nakagawa ka rin ng kasalanan, no? Or vice versa to, nakasalanan, no? So, yun nga, no? Merong may nagalit, meron din nagsisisi, no? For some of you, no? Dahil sa mga nagawa sa past, no? But then, parang huli na yung lahat para magsisi pa, right? No? So, one more card for the fire sign regarding their person, no? So, tingnan pa natin. So, yan, no? Meron pa dito, send me a message, no? So, yun nga, no? Maybe you are waiting for a sign, a message from your person, no? Talagang parang may gusto ka malaman, bakit nangyari to, no? For some of you, fire sign, naguguluhan ka, bakit? Parang hindi mo matanggap din na nangyari ito, no? So, you are asking him or her, no, your person to send you a message, no, for some of you, no. So sabi nga ng angels mo, look for the signs, no. So maybe you ask your angels, no, your angel guides, no, to send you some signs, no. Maybe you will find out the message from that signs, no, from that synchronicities, no, something like that, no. So be aware sa iyong paligid. There are signs out there, no, fire signs, no, regarding with your person's message, no? So, yeah. And of course, tignan na lang natin anong message for you ng ating universe, no? Ni God for you ang fire signs, no? Message for you, advice or message, o meron ng tumalon. So, you have this nga, no? Emotional baggage, no? Fire signs, no? So, yeah, talagang you are very emotional right now. So, but then, kung if you are ready na, it's okay to take time, di ba? Heal yourself, but then, while healing, no, fire sign is kailangan yung emotional baggages, yung mga hindi na magandang mga thoughts, no? Yung mga galit, something like that, pagsisisi, kung ano man ito, is tanggalin mo na, no? Itapon mo na. Sinasabi sa ni universe, the memories na hindi na maganda, itapon mo na. Emotional memories, emotional baggages, na mga kung ano man itong hindi na maganda for you, mas nakakabigat sa iyo is tanggalin mo na, sabi ni universe, no, while healing, no, para mas maganda yung pag-heal mo, no, so you can totally be healed, no. So for some of you fire signs, so ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ni universe, no, so ni God for you na tanggalin mo na, alisin mo na yung mga pagsisisi, mga negativity sa iyong thoughts, no, sa iyong emotions, no, tanggalin mo na lahat ang galit sa tao na yon, ang mga pangyayaring hindi maganda. Only leave those good memories, no, for you and for that person, no. And those na hindi na talaga maganda, yung mga galit, kung may galit ka man dahil nga niloko ka niya before, no, so tanggalin mo na, no. So para din sa iyo yun, makagaan na rin, gumaan na rin ang iyong kalooban, right? No? Kung kailangan mo na rin siyang patawarin, patawarin mo na. At ikaw din, humingi ka na rin ng patawad sa kanya, maybe, dahil wala namang perfect, right? No? Nagkakaroon din tayo ng kasalanan sa mga partner natin, even though nasabihin natin, hindi naman ako nag-cheat eh. But then, there are some things, no? Some situation na alam natin sa sarili natin. Meron din tayo nagawang hindi tama, meron din tayong mga kasalanan, no? Meron din tayo talagang may mga pagkukulang. So, admit it and release, no? So, for some of you, fire sign, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, fire signs, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this reading, no? And, yeah, please like and subscribe sa ating channel, no? And, of course, no, sabi ni God sa iyo is, release all those emotional baggage of you, no? Fire sign, para tuloy-tuloy yung healing process mo, no? So, it's for your own good rin naman, no? Para totally makarecover ka na din with that grieving, no? So, yeah, always pray lang and keep your strong faith kay God, hindi ka niya pababayaan. Lagi mo lang siyang tawagin and He will be there for you always, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, fire signs, no? So, thank you for watching, fire signs.